Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Noelle. Today's video is going to be on this soft glam look. Here's me. So the first thing I'm going to go in with is foundation from Anastasia. I'm going to go in with the new Luminous foundation in the shade 220N. I'm obsessed with this foundation, if you guys couldn't tell. It's the only one I ever use anymore. And then I'm going in with the new ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Creamy Concealer. I'm obsessed with this. I have this in the shade Light 40N for anybody who cares. I love this concealer. It's become my new favorite. It's nice and dewy, doesn't leave my eyes dry. Then I'm going in with the Anastasia translucent powder. I used to say Anastasia, but I've been saying Anastasia. I don't know. It doesn't matter, I guess. Then the star of the show is the Moonspell palette from Lunar Beauty. I'm going in with the shades Kiki, Winifred, and Hermione. I'm going to go in with Winifred first, and just going to put that as my all-over transition shade in my crease. Going to bring it up a little bit higher. I've been blending to my brow bone a little bit more lately, and I like it. I'm going to use Kiki to do this halo eye on the outer and inner corner, and then connect it like you see in the crease. And then I'm taking this Kylie brush and just blending it. Then I'm taking Kiki on my lower lash line to just smoke it out a bit. And then I'm going to be taking a blending brush and really just blending all of that out, because you can never stop blending. Never do enough blending, I should say. Then I just wiped away the powder and I'm putting concealer. And you see that little motion I do? That's how I kind of figure out where my crease is. It kind of figures out where your crease is naturally. I don't know. It's a trick I learned from somebody. I don't remember who first started that, but I don't know. But it works pretty good, as you can see. And so it's just so that, because my natural crease is pretty low, I have hooded eyes, so if I do that, it goes, I guess, a tiny bit above my crease, technically, and it doesn't crease very badly. So then I'm just going in with Kiki again, and I'm just darkening up the outer and inner corner, and then connecting in again. Then I'm going in the shade with Hermione, and I'm putting that all over my lid first with my fingers, then a brush, and then I'm actually going in with the shade Legendary from Lunar Beauty. Then I'm taking this Rosewood bronzer from Anastasia, and then this Becca blush in Flower Child. Thought it was Songbird, but it's Flower Child. Then this Tatcha Luminous Dewy Mist, I think it's called, to spray where I'm going to do my highlight. And then I'm taking this Sleek Solstice palette, and I'm going to put that literally all over my face. I put it on my cheekbones, my nose, my cupid's bow, my forehead, anywhere I feel like it, to be honest. And then I'm just going to take a white shade. I think I took the white shade from the Lunar Beauty palette. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm not 100% sure. And then I'm using this glitter from Ulta that actually doesn't have a name on it. It might have a name just as a glitter eyeliner. It's just the gold one. It came in a pack for like $16 at Ulta, which was awesome. And then I have to fan it so that doesn't crease like crazy, because I know it will. Then I'm using the Kylie Jenner Malibu lip liner, which I'm very upset they discontinued it. It was my favorite lip liner ever. Then I'm just going in and blending again. I do my makeup very weird. I just go all over and I just go from one to the next. Very strange. Then I'm using Ashton liquid lipstick and Naked Drama lashes from Kiss. They're like my favorite lashes. I just bought Lily lashes, so I'm going to try that out and see. So that's pretty much it with the look. But I have one more product, the Lunar Beauty Enchantment Lip Gloss. I'm sorry if this video has kind of been all over the place. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next one. Enjoy the soft glam. Bye.